Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be building a PC with the new AMD Ryzen 5 2400G. For those of you who are not familiar with the 2400G, this processor combines a Ryzen 5 CPU and a Vega GPU in one advanced processing unit, or APU. So in theory, we should be able to play games on this APU without the need of a dedicated graphics card. Now don't expect high-end GPU performance out of this APU, but we should be able to get playable performance on low to medium settings in most games. These new APUs will open up a lot of possibilities for people looking to get creative with small form factor gaming PCs, and that's exactly what we're going to be doing with this build today. As I previously stated, the processor for this build will be the Ryzen 5 2400G. For memory, I've gone with a 16GB kit of 3200 MHz memory from G.SKILL. These Ryzen chips really benefit from fast memory speeds, so if you're going to be building a system, I would highly recommend going with either 3000 or 3200 MHz memory. The motherboard I'll be using is the AB350N gaming Wi-Fi from GIGABYTE. And for storage, I'm going to be using a 256GB SSD from SanDisk. For the case to house all these components, I wanted something unique, so I'm going with the Realan W80. This is an aluminum ITX enclosure with a built-in power supply that's just barely larger than an ITX motherboard. It actually bears a lot of resemblance to a Mac Mini. It's available from Newegg in black, but I really wanted the silver version, so I found a used one on eBay. The auction I purchased also included a pair of 60mm case fans. And that's it. I feel like there's something missing, but I guess I'm just not used to building a computer without a dedicated graphics card. So let's go ahead and put this system together. Well, now that we have the system together, let's go ahead and run some gaming benchmarks. Because we're running a 120 watt power supply, I was not able to overclock the processor at all, so these benchmarks were done using the stock clock speeds. Well, there you go. As you can see, we were getting over 30 frames per second in just about every game we tested at 1080p with low to medium settings. The one game I did have some issues with was The Witcher 3, where the frame rate would dip down around 10 frames per second at times and then jump back closer to 30. So do I think the 2400G is a replacement for a dedicated video card? Well, probably not. But it is a good option if you're using it for the right application. Well, that's it for this video, guys. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to leave me a like, and if you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I've got a lot more content coming your way soon. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you next time.